Hey folks, this is day 5 of the 10-day water challenge. And it's today's post is about flushing toxins. So I'm gonna be doing a little experiment today. So I have a lemon and I have a bottle of some Thieves lemon oil. And I also have a bottle of Thieves Vitality lemon oil too. So and the only difference between the two with Young Living is that, okay, this one is labeled for internal consumption and this one is labeled for topical use. So because of an FDA requirement, they're labeled differently. So, but they're exactly the same thing in both bottles. So I'll take this one internally sometimes, even though it's not labeled that way. But to be on the safe side, you can drink, not drink, but use the Vitality oils to use internally. I actually have my trusty glass here that I've been drinking daily. I just put 2 or 3 drops of the lemon oil in before I fill my glass, and let me take a little sip here. So with the experiment, what I'm going to be doing is blowing up a couple of balloons. So let me go ahead and blow this up. Okay, there's one balloon. Make it stay put. No, second balloon. Balloon number 2. So you set that there. So first thing I'm going to do is cut the lemon open. Just cut a little piece off here. So what I'm going to do is take the green balloon and just get the lemon and just put a drop or 2 on there. Okay. Well, there we go for that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take the Young Living lemon oil and just put, I'm just going to put 1 drop. It happens pretty quickly. So what happened was the balloon, it's made of petrochemicals, of plastic. And so what's happening is the lemon oil is actually pulling toxins out of the plastic, and that's why the balloon pops. So just a little experiment for today, just to know how oils actually pull toxins out of our bodies. So stick with us for the rest of the challenge. We have, we're on day 5, so stick with us. If you're just starting, that's okay. You can just go back through the slides or through the post, the daily posts are all numbered. So stick with us, all right? We'll see you next time. Okay, bye.